We are going to prepare soft, delicious and fluffy idli which is healthy, and I'm going to share 4-step recipe. First step is soaking the ingredients in the water, and second step is grinding all these ingredients for preparing the batter. Third step is for keeping this batter overnight for fermenting, and fourth step is the steaming the idlis in the vessel. Let's start. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are staying at your home, and I'm sure you are healthy and safe and fighting against COVID-19. Today I'm going to share with you idli recipe which is very soft and delicious and the fluffy idli. So the ingredients are, I have taken the 1 bowl of rice, half bowl of urad dal, 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds and around 4 spoon of poha. So let's start. Now I'm going to take this 1 bowl of rice in this bowl, and I'm going to wash it. So I'm going to take the half bowl of urad dal and in this bowl, and I'm going to wash this. Now we will wash the rice. Now I will drain this water. We'll do the same process again for washing the rice. This is the second time I'm washing it, and so its water is bit clear. Now washing rice is done. Now I will wash this urad dal. So now washing rice and washing urad dal is done. Now I am going to mix everything, and we will soak it and keep it for 8 hours. Let's start the soaking process. Now I will mix the rice. Now I will take the 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. I'm adding poha. This I am taking 4 spoon of poha. So I have added poha and fenugreek seeds to improve the softness and fluffiness in the idli batter. Now let's add water, and we will keep this soaking process for 8 hours. Keep this are over. Let's see how our ingredients are soaked, and our first step of soaking is completed. So the next step is the grinding, and now before that I will drain the extra water, and then later part I will grind it. So as you can see, after soaking, all these grains has become completely softer, and it can be broken with hands. You can see each grain. So grinding will be very easier. Now I'm going to put all the mixture, all these grains in the jar for grinding. So now, like, I have added everything in the mixie jar, and I have kept a very small portion of water so that it gets grinded easily. And now we are going to grind it, and now I am going to grind it in my Inalsa food processor. Let's start. So now we will check our batter after grinding. So the consistency is quite appropriate, and it should not be very thick or very thin. So as our second step of grinding is completed, now we will proceed further for our third step of fermentation, and I will keep this batter in this bowl for overnight. Now I am going to add a half spoon of salt, and we are going to keep it for overnight for fermentation. Half spoon. The third process of fermentation is completed, and let's check our batter. It is good. So now I am going to use my Pristine multipurpose kadhai for our fourth step of making idli, and now I will take this idli patra out for putting the idlis in each bowl. And in this kadhai I will fill it with water till this level and make the steam out of this water. So water is up to the level. Now I will cover it with lid for 5 minutes. First I will grease this idli patra plate with a little amount of oil. Now greasing this plate is over, and now I will fill this with the idli batter. This plate. So now 5 minutes are over, and it looks like steam has been prepared good. I will put the idli patra inside this, and in the steam for 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes is over, and let's check our fourth step of steaming is done. And I will check it by the fork and by poking it the idli like it's sticking or not. As we see, it's not at all sticky and it's done. And let's take it out. So after cooling it, we will take it out. So now our delicious, soft and healthy idli is ready, and now I will take it out for serving. This is the last one. Now our delicious idli is ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. If you want to know more about my pristine multi-purpose kadhai, just click here.